We are not gym people, but we're always so pumped up because we're gonna try to go Monday through...
Ooh, that's a mama lion.
Ooh, yeah, that's a kangaroo. This time, the package isn't for me. Hi guys, happy Monday. We just finished working out at the gym and it's been very good for us since, like I said before, we are not gym people, but we're always so pumped up because we're gonna try to go Monday through Thursday, and if we skip a day during the week for any reason, then we'll make it up on like Friday, Saturday, or Sunday whenever we can. But it's been really good for us and we're really liking it. We're always pumped every time the evening comes, is when we go after Mike gets out of work. He gets out of work at 5, then we eat dinner. We try to go between by 6:30 because apparently it's not that busy at that time, because Monday through Thursday around like 4 to like 9ish is like they're like really busy, and we're going like in the middle, in the peak of when everybody's like probably getting off of work and they're trying to get their workout in. So but it hasn't really been so like too crowded or too busy at those times, so we're still able to get our workout on. But today Mike didn't go to work today, so we were able to go to the gym earlier around 4 o'clock, and we thought it was going to be a little busy, but it's actually not that busy. I mean, there's a lot of people, but not like the other days that we would go. And for the first time I was able to get on the stairs. Oh my goodness. Mike can't last on that he only lasts like 5 minutes, and I actually stayed for like 10 minutes and I did like 20 flights of stairs or something like that, is what it said on the machine. But that thing is a real workout. It looks easy, but it's so super tiring, and I don't think I can stay on that long because, you know, we don't go on it often, so I think the more we go on it, the longer we can stay and the faster we can go. But I only stayed on that for 10 minutes. What I really love is the bikes, because I love biking. So I really love the bikes and I'm always on there for a long time. And then I do treadmill and I use the elliptical, and there's this other machine, I don't know what it's called. I want to call it an arc because that's what I think I saw the name of that machine, but I like that one because the elliptical I also have a hard time on because my body's not used to it. So everybody makes it look so easy, and then here I am, I go on it and I'm like going super fast, and I'm just like, why am I tired after a minute? So I have to like slow down. So that's another thing I have to get used to. Once I get on it and the more I use it, the faster I can go, the longer I can stay. But so far so good. We are keeping up with our workout. Like I said, we want to go 3 to 4 times a week, and we have been doing that. Actually, this is only our 2nd week, but last week we were able to go the days we wanted to go, and we're going to continue to do that for a full year, and hopefully we'll have brought our sexy back.
Ooh, penguin. It's like Penguin March. That's penguins, Nolan. Ooh, that's a mama lion and a baby lion. That's you and mommy. That's a mountain.
to a valley of water.
Ooh! Those are hills, Nolan, with a lake and a hill. Ooh, that's a tree and grass. What is that? Ooh. Ooh, that's snow. That's a grassland filled with mountains, Nolan. Ooh, that's a mountain, and look, there's a lake in the middle. Ooh, that's a bear catching a fish. That's a walrus.
Stop it.
Ooh, that's a gorilla. It goes ooh.
Know your clothes, your outfit. See, he's wearing Nike pants. Just do it, right? But his shirt says, I didn't do it. So did you or didn't you? Hello? You pooed, huh? I can smell it. So Mr. I did do it, I didn't do it, or just do it, I didn't do it. That's a perfect outfit, huh? Because your bottom half says just do it, but your top half says I didn't do it. So last night, Nolan or Nathan was snoring super loud, and I decided to record it and listen.
What is that? Mom, what is that?
It sounds like, you know those party horns that you blow? That's what his fart or his snore sounds like. Ooh, yeah, that's a kangaroo. Do you like it?
Kangaroo.
Ooh, yes, I know. He is so fascinated with animals and animal sounds. He loves it. He loves watching these right here. It tells you what the animal is and the sound they make. And he just loves it. Yeah, you love it, huh? We should go back to the zoo, huh?
Giraffe.
That's a giraffe. What's that? That's a frog. You see something? What do you see? No. No. Okay, come here. Come here. I'll give you some. Come here. Well, looky here. This time, the package isn't for me. Can you guess who it's for? That's right, Mike. It's for Mike. It's for his little hobby, his remote control hobby. If you guys are interested in remote control, you guys will probably enjoy the haul that we're going to do in a bit. Okay, here we go. It's box opening time.
Unboxing time.
Unboxing time. Mike's remote control parts haul. And I'm using the tripod, guys. Nathan, let him stop making him cry. Okay, now what is that?
Hotwire 3.0 Bluetooth to set parameters on the speed control of the remote control.
Okay, that's what it is.
Yeah, set your settings. Grill for the ponchos, the body.
For the front of the truck. That's the grill. Is it this way? Wait, I can take it out. Here, this is what it looks like outside of the plastic. Okay.
Rear axle.
Oh, I don't know. I don't want to take all that out. It has a whole bunch
Rear
of...
axle.
rear axle. Which one is for the, what parts are these for? The
This one-
beige looking one?
Axle. It's not beige, that's gray.
No, for you, which car, truck, RC?
The honcho, the one,
Those are all the little parts.
Sand looking one.
Okay, yeah, the one we took to Pegasus, right?
Yes. And here's to flip the thing instead of taking the cover off, just flip it on 90 degrees.
Okay, I don't know what he's talking about, but for the RC people, you probably know what he's talking about.
And this is a lens for that grill.
Oh,
Right.
so it's like like on the regular, it goes on this grill thing right here. It's like
The lens
a
for the light.
lens for the light. That's what he's saying. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to mess up whatever's. Hold on, let me see. This is everything you got, babe?
No.
Okay.
And here's some knuckle bushing.
This is a knuckle bushing. Sounds funny.
There's actually a cover for the rear axle. This cover, it takes place of that one instead of red.
Okay,
red.
Okay, you hear that, guys? Sorry for Nathan in the background. He's got two.
One for the front and one for the rear.
Hear that? One for the front, one for the rear.
And there's a motor plate.
Motor plate. Oh my gosh, I don't know any of these things.
No, you don't. And here's the front axle.
Front axle, okay. That's it? That make sure everything's in there.
Sticker, RPP sticker.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 9 parts. Let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 10. Oh, because you got 2 of 1. That's why. Okay. So everything's in there. That's all the parts he got, and it's supposed to be for that tan-looking truck or whatever he had, whatever honcho that you guys probably seen in previous vlogs.
Again, we do it again. We do it again.
He likes those. Those are his favorite toys.
Can't do anything on his own.